don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate,
I came and frankly I brought to the president the warm greetings and best wishes from the government and the people of Enugu State. But above all, you may also know already that we made massive campaign promises to the people of Enugu, and we also have expressed humongous vision. We've taken a bold view of what Enugu could achieve in the next 4 years in terms of growing our economy from the current levels to $30 billion. And one of our core governance philosophy is to collaborate and to have partnership. And we have identified the federal government as our core partner. We have a number of dormant assets in Enugu which we believe, partnering with the federal government, we're able to transform them into productive assets. A lot of people do not know, but we have huge mineral resources in Enugu, and these resources are sitting under our ground, not being productive. So we believe with the partnership we're trying to basically build with the federal government, we're able to transform these assets into productive assets. We also, of course, you know that the growth level we have proposed is one that is going to be driven by private sector, and private sector want the ease of doing business. And one of the core indicators of the ease of doing business is security and infrastructure. So we also had that conversation with Mr. President. And finally, we also, of course, talked about the release of Nnamdi Kanu. You know that the Southeast has made a collective demand to have Nnamdi Kanu released. And we basically identified with that and request Mr. President, who in his inaugural address promised the people that he's going to engender national healing and is going to serve with compassion. So we've basically informed him that this would serve as a pointer to his administration's extension of hands of fellowship to Ndi Igbo. Thank you.